Calling Mr. Right, calling Mr. Wrong, calling me insane. It's it. I know what I want and I want it now. I want you, cause I'm Mr. Vain.